Liberty. Do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Did you eat your dinner and then get hiccups? Good girl. Guess they're done. Guess hiccups are done. Oh, it's not.